at me. I joined the army to fight for my nation. I was told it would help me become a man of greatness. The drummers were murdering French and Belgian people who called them the army of evil, marching with Satan. Kitchener says he needs people like me to win wars. My girlfriend doesn't want me to go, though I have to. I tell her not to fret, this war will be short. Morale is high amongst the men, no way we can lose. Plus all the boys from town have signed up too. I love you, but to help out in this time is what I must do. So see it as an adventure for me. Eventually you'll see why this war was meant for me to succeed. As we set off marching through the town centre to leave, hundreds of people have gathered to wave us off in the streets. I feel pride for my country. Yo, we got God on our side from above me. There's no way the dramas could touch me. Was meant to be a short war, or so they made it seem. A generation wiped out after major defeat. The men that died that day were starting to lose. If only they knew what they were walking into. Yo, it was meant to be a short war, or so they made it seem. A generation wiped out after major defeat. The men that died that day were starting to lose. If only they knew what they were all walking into. Yo, how wrong could I be? I've been here for over a year in a ditch where the smell of death is a daily thing. And bombs dropping around you don't make you jump now. They say we'll win the war soon, I wish it was now. The Germans dug themselves in as they got pushed back. We did the same, now we're both stuck in this stalemate. So used to the sound of machine gun fire is unreal. It doesn't feel like progress is happening, some say. Cause those who go over the top don't return. And if they do, it's with limbs missing or bullet holes in them. I've heard of people being crucified on barbed wire and left to die crying for help that no one gives them. I'm not ready to die, forget what I've been fighting for this whole time. I miss normal life, mortars fly all day and all night. I can't sleep, I gotta stay strong or I'm sure to fall like a fly.
Fix bayonets! Fix bayonets! Fix bayonets! Fix bayonets! Fix bayonets!
Was meant to be a short war, or so they made it seem. A generation wiped out after major defeat. The men that died that day were starting to lose. If only they knew what they were walking into. Yo, was meant to be a short war, or so they made it seem. A generation wiped out after major defeat. The men that died that day were starting to lose. If only they knew what they were all walking into. Yo.